History Colorado, hands-on history. Where kids make history. A statewide program of experiential learning for students in grades 1 through 8. Safe interactive activities scheduled when students are out of school. Automatic tuition assistance is available. Kids explore activities that connect them to their identity, community, and personal roots. From Native American arts and traditions, hand-building adobe, modern homesteading, pottery, jewelry, wool, and fiber arts, survival skills, folk dancing, archaeology, and more. Hands-on history supports the needs of working families, embraces the values of inclusion, diversity, and equity, reflects the quality and leadership of History Colorado. Most of all, it's fun! History Colorado, hands-on history. Enroll now.